had a half an hour trial lesson with Benoit last week. It went pretty well. I forgot a lot of words that I used to remember. 95% of the time, I couldn't understand what he's saying. So he had to literally type as we are talking on Skype. Today I have a lesson which is the officially first lesson. I don't know if you're gonna say italki or italki. The site is pretty good so far.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be studying?
Wow.
Get to it.
Okay, so my flashcards.
To hope.
To hope.
Espérer.
Espérer.
I hope to change my job. J'espère changer mon travail.
J'espère changer mon travail. Is it good?
No. J'espère. J'espère.
J'espère.
Yeah.
Changer mon travail.
Changer mon travail.
To wake up. Réveiller.
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 It's like literally wake up in the morning?
The verb to wake up.
Promets-moi que nous allons réveiller tôt demain.
Promets-moi que nous allons réveiller tôt demain.
Tôt demain.
Tôt demain? Tôt demain.
Demain.
I am currently on vacation. Je suis actuellement en vacances.
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 Actuellement?
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 Actuellement.
Yeah, actuellement. En vacances.
En vacances.
Vacances.
Vacances. You know, Korean people actually say vacances. Yeah, for vacation. We say 휴가 and also vacances.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn, same word.
We tend to use some French words in South Korea. And for us, we have no idea if they're French or English.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a weird
We
thing.
don't know. I guess some people know. I'm not speaking on behalf of every Korean. I made myself a matcha tea. This is my favorite summer drink. In fact, this is matcha collagen drink. Oh. Apparently it's really good for hair and nails and joints. You gotta take care of your joints. Last night I missed my first French class and I guess somehow I scheduled the lesson and then I changed the time zone setting. It messed up the schedule time. This morning, very early in the morning, I think it was about like 8:30. I had a lesson with him spontaneously, but in the meantime, last night I scheduled another one with someone else. So this is gonna be trial lesson. Her price is $6.59 in Canadian and $5 in US. It's for half an hour and let's see how it goes. And it's gonna start in 15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna review the sentences I learned this morning. This is from today, this morning. Tu vas bien? Et toi? À l'heure de la leçon. At the time of the lesson. Tu dormais? You were sleeping. Because he said that I didn't respond to him, so I said I was sleeping. Je suis fatigué. That was my answer. I'm tired. It's interesting because fatigue, there is a female version and male version. Female fatigue, you just write differently. And male fatigue. Tu es fatigué, mais moi, je ne suis pas fatigué. That was his answer. Tu viens de te réveiller. So this is really fun grammar. Because venir de has two meanings, either come from or just. Venir de, come from. So you could say, je viens de Corée du Sud. I'm from South Korea. I come from South Korea. Je viens de Corée du Sud. I should remember. Je viens de, I come from. Je viens de Corée du Sud. Corée du Sud. Or you could say it's just, I just did this. So if I want to say I just made matcha green tea, how am I gonna say this? I made matcha, let's say. J'ai fait du matcha. I'm just using Google Translator. It's not 100% correct, as you all know. J'ai fait du matcha. But if I want to say just made it, what am I gonna say? Je viens de... what? Je viens de faire du matcha, maybe? Oh, I was right. Je viens de faire du matcha. Oh, pretty good. 한국어로는 matcha, 차, matcha is weird. 방금 matcha 만들었어요. 시원합니다. Ça dépend. This is a good one. It depends. I could use this one for any type of answer. It depends. Ça dépend. Ça dépend. Another grammar that I learned today, which was very interesting. If you see se, S-E, it means yourself. In French, you could have se and verb. If you find se verb, it means you have to replace se to yourself corresponding to the subject noun, right? So if I say, I remember, je me souviens. I wake up, je me réveille. Because me is myself, related to the subject noun. And je me réveille, I just woke up. Et ensuite. And then, et ensuite. And then, oh, this word is very confusing because ensuite is like the room, you know? Ensuite bathroom, well, ensuite, it's weird. Ensuite means and then. How am I gonna remember this? Et ensuite. I have to try to figure out what to associate with. You go into an ensuite room. And then, what? Maybe. Ensuite, je réveille mon frère. I wake up my brother. Mon frère. Très bonne explication. Très bon. Oh. Pas du tout. Not at all. Not at all. Jusqu'à. Until. Until. Jusqu'à. Okay, until. Until that time. Until the next lesson. Next. Prochaine leçon. Okay, so I learned a lot today. Main thing I'm gonna remember is viens de, just. Je viens de Corée du Sud. I come from South Korea. Or je viens de faire du matcha. I just made matcha. For me, it's worth it. Even if it is, oh, I think she said hi. Gonna get ready. What? She's 4 minutes early. Maybe she wants to make sure she have the right person. Through Skype. For me, right now at this point, half an hour I can learn so much. I don't want to overwhelm myself, and I also don't want to lose momentum because I don't have enough time to catch up about what I study. Bonjour! Ça va bien? Et toi? Je m'appelle Inyam. Je viens de Corée du Sud.